This guide will walk you through the process of using the BelGAS CP Sizing Wizard to calculate either flow rate or valve coefficient, CV. This data can help you decide what control valve to use for your applications based on specific conditions and parameters. Go to belgascp.com and click Sizing Wizard to get started. The first step is to choose whether you want to use the gas sizing or liquid sizing calculator. The process is the same for both, but we will be using the gas sizing calculator for this first example. Next, select which value you'd like to solve for. If you know the valve coefficient, or CV, and want to find the flow rate, choose Calculate Flow Rate. If you already know your flow rate and want to calculate the CV, choose Calculate Valve Coefficient. We will be solving for the CV in this first example. Now let's fill out the remaining fields. First, enter your operating temperature. Use the drop-down to change the temperature scale to Fahrenheit, Celsius, or Kelvin accordingly. Next, enter the specific gravity of your flow for the application. Then, enter your upstream pressure. If necessary, you can change the upstream or downstream pressure units to meet your application requirements. Click the drop-down to select which units you'd prefer. Now do the same for your downstream pressure. Lastly, enter your flow rate. Once all fields are filled in, click Calculate CV. Your results will generate within seconds. Take a moment to look them over. If you'd like a PDF copy of your results, click Download PDF. Select I'm Not a Robot and click on the Download Results button to save the sizing results. Once saved, your download should look something like this. Once you've viewed your download, click the X to close the window. There's also a second option to send a PDF of the results to yourself or to someone else for further review. To do that, just click Send PDF. Enter a valid email address and select I'm Not a Robot. Then click Email Results. If you have different parameters you'd like to use or you'd like to switch calculators, select Solve for another condition. In this example, we're going to use the liquid sizing calculator and solve for flow rate. First, enter your pressure recovery factor. Next, enter the specific gravity of your application. Then enter your upstream and downstream pressures, changing units if necessary. Lastly, enter your CV. Once all fields are filled in, click Calculate Flow Rate. If necessary, you can change the result units to best fit your application needs. Click the drop-down to select which units you'd prefer. View, download, or send PDF results as shown previously. Or, clear the form to start over. Congratulations! You can now use the BelGAS CP Sizing Wizard to help you more confidently decide which valves to use in your applications. Thanks for watching and be sure to reach out to our team with any questions.